With the StarLeaf Scheduler for Office 365, you can schedule StarLeaf meetings directly from your Outlook calendar. To start, open your browser and go to Microsoft App Source. Search for StarLeaf and select StarLeaf Add-in for Outlook. Press Get It Now. You will need to be signed in to your Microsoft account in AppSource to continue. Make sure you're using the same email address as the one linked to your StarLeaf account. Confirm your details and agree to StarLeaf's terms and policies. Then select Continue to install the scheduler. Next, you will need to connect the scheduler to your StarLeaf account. To do this, open your Office 365 calendar and select New Event. In the event window, select the StarLeaf icon in the toolbar, then Connect. Allow StarLeaf to open a new window. You can now schedule StarLeaf meetings directly from your Office 365 calendar. You can find out more about this in our next video, or for more information, visit support.starleaf.com.